I put the camera in front of her and she got excited. This is Abigail enjoying a popsicle stick. This is actually chocolate and raspberry. Is that tasty? Yeah? That's right, huh? You gonna do your Humphrey Bogart impression now? Yep, that's just about it. Okay, say bye, Abigail. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Playing some more. She's got the camera string. Hello. Hello. Isn't that precious? Okay, bye, Abigail.